Hello folks, like I promised in my previous video, today I'm going to show you how to remove your alternator freewheel clutch pulley. This is this pulley over here. Like you can see, it has some free motion when you rotate it in a direction opposite to the drive belt direction. When you rotate it in the same direction as the drive belt, there is no free motion. So to remove it, we are going to need a set like this, Alternator Freewheel pulley remover set. Let's open it. This set is for different pulleys and different types of alternator, but for this particular pulley we need this part of the set and this one here. Let's close this for now. Now the idea is quite simple. Using this Allen extension of the set, we need to block the alternator shaft. We need this simply because you cannot hold the pulley and unscrew it. It has this free motion and it's practically impossible to do it this way. So by blocking the alternator shaft from rotating and by using this crown type of key which goes inside the crown of the pulley, we need two wrenches, in my case 17 millimeters and another one 10 millimeters. The 10 millimeter wrench will block the rotation of the shaft and I will use the 17 millimeter to unscrew the pulley itself. Sometimes those are quite hard to unscrew, and if your case is such, you're going to need bigger wrenches or some sort of lever. So let's see. Okay, we got lucky this time. As you can see, now it's quite simple to unscrew the pulley. And here we go. This is the old one. Here I have another one, brand new. The brand is Inner, it's a German brand. We have manual, we have this plastic cap, and of course we have the pulley itself, Inner, Germany, some serial numbers. And okay, now the manual, as you can see, you should not use impact wrench when replacing those pulleys. You have to tighten the new pulley to 85 Newton meters. Unfortunately, my torque wrench is in the car, so I will be doing the tightening later. But the idea is, again, by using those two parts of the set, again by blocking the alternator shaft, to tighten up the pulley. Then you simply have to place the cap over here to protect you from dust, moisture, and etc. So that's from me for now, guys. Bye.